How to fix Microsoft Outlook failed to delete a message error. To fix Microsoft Outlook failed to delete a message error, try 1. Make the best of keyboard shortcuts. 2. Empty the deleted items folder. 3. Use the More Move Actions icon to add/remove a few characters from the email. Then try removing that message later. 4. Enable the following two options in your account settings: mark the items to be deleted but don't move them automatically. Items marked for deletion will be permanently deleted when the items in the mailbox are purged. Purge the items when switching the folders online. 5. Run scans.exe at program files. 6. Restart Microsoft Outlook in safe mode.